What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good to have you all back here and welcome to this new video on Luna Classic. Your weekend update. I try to cover Luna Classic every weekend. I'm not sure if I covered it yesterday because that would be a shame because I don't have that much to say about Luna Classic or not that much new. Even though I do have some, I did change my mind a little bit on Luna Classic because right now what you're seeing, and we'll dive deeper into that in the video, don't worry. But what you're seeing is that we're in a very tight consolidation between 8900 and then this level, which I didn't put on the chart yet, but it is a level around 9500. So we're basically consolidating in that area, right? So let me make that a little bit clearer for you. So we'll do this, and then we'll delete this entire level. So this is kind of the consolidation which we have been in. And apart from that, I mean, something that's actually a blessing and a curse is that we are not really correlated with Bitcoin at this point of time, right? So what you're seeing is that we're moving very independently of Bitcoin. At this point of time, that's not necessarily the most bullish thing, because what we're seeing with Luna Classic is that the volume is dropping down quite drastically. Over the last week, not necessarily. Over the last week, the volume has actually been steady, and we can also see that with the burn tax. Burn tax has been steady too. But yeah, I mean, a consolidation is not a bad thing, especially not because Bitcoin actually had some drops as well in the last week, and some altcoins reacted very heavily to that, while Luna Classic actually did not. Luna Classic just held its own. And yeah, this is one of the cleanest consolidations I've seen in a very long time. So we'll talk a little bit more about that and also why I think Luna Classic could actually rally. But before that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you can check it out, what it is, see if you want to join, and also get instructions on how to join. So check it out at the end of this video. But for now, let's get into Luna Classic. So like I said, the reasons why I actually do think a rally is possible, because that's essentially why I wanted to make the video, is first of all because we are very stable. So the only thing we need to really get a rally is break above 9600. If we can break above that, I think we can easily get back up again towards 10,200 and 10,400. And then from there we'll see again. I mean, it kind of depends on if we have some accompanying fundamentals with us, if we can break above that or not. But something like this is very possible because, like I said, we are stable while also maintaining relatively high levels of volume. If you compare to the last month, it's actually like it's not as high as when the USDT Luna Classic kind of rumors were out there, but it is still relatively high if we compare to the last couple of weeks. So that's a good thing. Now, and that's also the third reason why I think we could rally. I mean, the USDT repack and that whole idea, it's not even sure if that's going through, and we definitely do not know when that will happen. But apart from that, the rumors and kind of the news and the repack itself is still in the air, right? And at any point of time, that's also what we saw over the last couple of weeks. At any point of time, that could actually provide bullish momentum. So that's three positive things to why I actually end the market overall is pretty bullish right now. So that's why I actually do think that a rally like this at some point in time, perhaps not next week, but the week afterwards, but at some point in time is the most likely scenario. Because until that time, I think we can just hold this consolidation. Unless Bitcoin crashes, but like if Bitcoin right now crashes all the way down to 28,700, then Luna Classic might actually drop down. That's a possibility, but that's not necessarily what I expect. I think, to be fair, it's even more likely that Bitcoin will actually get some more bullish momentum. So that's good news for Luna Classic too. Apart from that, no news on governance, no news on upgrades or anything. So you don't need to know anything new about that. But in general, that's my take on Luna Classic. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.